Yes, hello guys. Thank you for coming back to my channel. This is Moldo, and I hope you are watching my previous video. So today I'm gonna show how we can create our own, how to create a Google developer account, a console account, and start publishing our own mobile application in our own account. It's just a simple step. If you stick with the video, you will be able to find out how exactly you can do things in your own after the video. So I will go ahead and start right away with from the beginning, from a scratch. And before I start this video, I would like to inform you that this Google account, the Google developer account, please be advised, you can only create uh, only one account with one person. That means you cannot create a multiple account. You can create only one account. Otherwise, if you create a multiple account and if Google finds out, that might lead to termination of your account forever. All right. So please make sure you have only one account. First, we will go ahead, and I already have my own developer account. Just to go ahead and show you how exactly things are done, I will go ahead and create a new Google developer account, and we will go from there. So let me go ahead and create one of Google account real quick. So, so I will create this account. Alright, so I successfully created the account. So I successfully created the account I want. So my Google account is ready. So the next step is to go to the browser, and then we need to go to the website. So I'll just go ahead and type play console, and then here it go. You see play console account sign up. So I'll go here, and for that, first you need to turn on your two-step verification with your phone number. So you just go ahead and turn on your two-step verification. You add your phone number, it's in everything, and then we'll just go ahead and do it. So you so I'm waiting for the OTP. Alright, so I'm done. So I'll go back here. I will refresh the console account. So the next step is choosing which type of account. So there are two types of accounts. So one is an organization account, one is a personal account. So this is the organization account. If you click on the drop down, company or business, non-profit, government, for these are an account for those organization which needs things for the account for the organization. For this, you need to have a D1 number. So without that, you won't be able to create an account. So for right now, we're not focusing. We're focusing only on a personal account. So for personal account, we don't need any kind of any certification or any kind of requirement. You just can start. Anyone can start. So here you click. So the instructions are here written. So your email address, contact phone number and email which you need to use, and also a payment of $25. Registration fee which is non-refundable. You also need to pay $25 registration fee to get yourself an account. So we'll go continue, hit continue, and now you give a developer name. You choose a developer name. So right now, let me just go ahead and choose any kind of run. So I'll just choose it, the gamer mean. So I'll just choose this as an account because my account I already have just newly created an account with the same name. So I'm just choosing this name. So click on next. So now the important things is that you need to create a select payment profile. So you need to create a payment profile. You click on this. You need to your information. You click on continue. So you select your country, and then your full name, and you need to give your name, your correct name, as per your government identification proof, because in the end when you submit the payment they will ask for identity verification. So make sure that you're using your name as per your uh, ID card, government ID card. So just go ahead and give your apartment, just give as per your address proof, might be your in India Aadhaar card. So select your pin code, select your state. So these are just a simple tasks, so just go fill up and then save. So we're done with the payment profile, so we're good to go next. So here is it. If you want to change, you can change it. Now let's go next. And here your legal name, so everything is here. And now you go your developer email address. So what was the email address that we just signed up? Just use the email address that you recently signed up, or your email address. So for mine it is ken@gmail.com. Verified, it's already verified. Acknowledgement, and then click on next. And after that, here you need to tell something about yourself, why you want to create this account, what kind of apps you're building. This is an optional, you don't have to stretch a lot. Just type something. I am a I am a student. uh, I'm a student. I like to build my own gaming app, and I love coding. That's it. You don't have to write so many things. Okay, so other Google account in this option. Have you used any other Google account to access Play Console in the last 6 past months? So it means that, do you have any other account other than this? So just go for no. And then if you have a website that you want to show to the people, then you can write. Otherwise you can choose I don't have a website and go on next. So the next step, they're asking some random questions, that how many apps will you be publishing? So more than 10. Then these are just random questions. So you can choose are you earning money on Google Play? So this one, so for the time being you can go don't know yet. So here, do you want to publish any following of this type, banking app, all these things? So mine just if any of your apps do not falls into this kind of category, just go for none of the above. Then you go on next. So here you need to give your contact information, your good developer account, which will be displayed. So just go ahead and set your name, your email, and here your preferred language will be, and then here your contact phone number. Just you need to verify it here again with a plus sign. So alright, so just click on verify phone number. They're gonna send you a text, uh, one time passcode. So just enter the passcode. click on verify, and then here is the next step. I confirm, create account and pay, and here is the last thing, the last step. So here you can need to create an account and pay. Click on this. Now it's time to pay for the fee. You need to use your debit card or your credit card, enter your card number, expiration date, security code, your name as per your card, your address, everything, and then just save card. After you click on save card, there will be an option to call just pay. So payment option will be there, so you need to click on the payment options here. Since I already have an account, so I'm just showing you how things the steps, so I'm not gonna do this part, so that's you have to do on your own. So that's the steps, and after this, after everything, so after everything, now I'm gonna show you the live account. All right, so I'm gonna show you how exactly it's gonna look like. So this is my account. So now after you got a payment, you will receive an email, a payment receipt. So just like this, I'll show you. All right, hold on. Okay, so I got a confirmation that I just make a payment of $25 using my Visa card. This was the registration fee, and after this they're gonna ask you, after this you will also receive a email this after the payment. So verification page, this is the email. So it will lead you to, so I already did my verification. You just have to click on verify now, where you need to upload your government identity proof verification. So mine, I already did the verification, so it's in process. I'll get the approver, I'll get the reserve after 2 days. So here you need to everything will be there. You need to just like this. So you need to upload your for India, you can upload your PAN card, you can upload your Aadhaar card as address proof, or if you have for electricity bills or any kind of gas bill, you can use this that as an address proof. You can use a PAN card, driving license, voter card as an option for identity verification. So here it goes. This is the account. So it will take like 2 to 3 days for the verification. Then after this, this is the home page for the Play Console. So it's not yet verified, so you can't publish any app right now. So about how you can publish an app, we will discuss in details in another video. So this is the simple task and the simple step that I've shown you in this video, that how you can create your Google developer account, and you can publish your uh, own mobile application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video and if it helps you, if it helps you, you can subscribe. You can wait for the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.